how to find birthyear settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthyear settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information, and here go down until you find here your birthday. Click this pen here and here you will find your birthyear settings, and you can change it if you want, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.